It's that time of year. The snow has melted. The trees are budding, coming up leaves. It's barbecue season. And you got to get ready. And you need a set of tools. Because we always need tools. Stay tuned and we'll tell you what to use. Weather's starting to get warmer now. Like I said in the promo, weather's getting warmer. It's time to get grilling. So you're getting your grill all cleaned up and you're ready to go and you pull things out and you look at, oh man, I still got these nasty tools and everything. Maybe I could use an upgrade. Well, the folks at Grill Heat Aid had sent me this, the portable, like I said, so new. Still got the plastic wrapper on it, right? The portable grill tool set. It comes in a handy dandy stainless steel metal case. It's got some good weight to it. I'm sure you've seen these in the stores. I had one. My first one, when we moved here in this house, 10 years ago, I had one of these kits. And the only thing that's left in that kit right now is the case. And I use that. I've got some cleaning supplies that I keep in it. So it's, like I said, it's a real durable case. But we want to do a product review on this. But before we talk about the tools, let's talk about grilled foods, okay? And Marvin had expressed to me the reason why he put this set together is the importance of healthy eating and the role that grilled foods take. Okay, a lot of times if you're cooking any meats or so, all right, in the frying, there's a reason why we have the grill grates or even the grill pans, okay? You want to keep the fat, try to keep the fat away. Get all the fat and the grease away, all right? Let the natural juices and the natural fats that are still inside the meat, let that handle it. So it's a very good method of good, healthy eating. Now, we've been trying to do that all winter into the springtime, and it's met with some good results. So I wanted to share this with you. And we're going to start off by just opening and show you what's in this. Everything's nice and compact, as you can see here. Everything's all compact. It's all stainless steel. And I remember the kit that I had, and you probably could tell. And we'll start off right off with the first tool. It's probably the one that you're going to use the most, and it's going to be your spatula. Okay, it's nice and lightweight. Okay. What's really neat with this is you've got your sharp edge, you've got some serrations here, and a bottle opener. But what was interesting about this that I had in the past is this connection right here, okay, from the handle to the actual blade part was epoxied in. Now, I don't know about you, but epoxy and heat don't work well together, all right? That's why your pop-up thermometers in your turkey, those are all epoxied, and when they reach a certain temperature, the epoxy turns to liquid and the thing burns. Same goes with these. When you're using epoxy, you gotta watch out. Epoxy will melt, especially if you're using them in the dishwasher. All right, these look to be a dishwasher safe, but everything here is crimped over. Okay, take a look at that, and that here, everything is crimped over. So it's lightweight, okay, and like I said, that is the first part. Second is the tongs, and they've got these tied in here, so safe so they don't rattle around. But I like them. Okay, these are tongs. Like I said, everything's nice and everything's very, very lightweight. I like them. They clean. They look like they clean up nicely. You've got your rubber end or your elastic end, and then the piece right here that folds over and Velcro. So everything ties up. This is a very good traveling set. So if you're doing any camping, any outdoor work, or maybe your friend's got a nice grill, a nice house, and maybe you don't want him to do the cooking. We've all done that. We've all been to people's houses and let me take care of it. And I brought my own tools. So we have the spatulas. We've got the tongs. All right. We're going to start off here next with the big knife. I said, nice and sturdy, very good. I said this goes back, and the Velcro straps hold it into place. Another thing is your fork, okay? Nice and long, flexible enough. You don't want it too rigid, but it's flexible, well made, and you know, not much to be said about that. I like that. These are silicone, okay? As you can see, black silicone. They resist the heat very well. They look like they're gonna hold up, and everything is very sturdy. So I'm a fan of that. And once again, silicone and all that, dishwasher safe, so you can probably put these in the dishwasher if you need be. And we're gonna go with the tool, the grill tool. Okay, you see here, this is the grill cleaning brush. Okay, you got your brass, you got your scraper, and the cleaner. Always start off with a clean grill. Tip, big tip, big tip. Always start off with a clean grill. Nice and simple, you put your grill up to high heat, let it get up to temperature, open it up, boom, 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 cleans everything off, and then you're ready to start grilling. So I'm real pleased with this, but the coup de grace, the most important element of this, I had to share with you because it's one of the things that makes this set, you know, something to behold. And below, you'll see I'm going to have a discount code, and I'm going to have a link to where you can get this. They sent me this, and it arrived in about 2 days. But the thing that I really found to be amazing, or very good, were the skewers, all right, for shish kebab. Now, this here is the key to good cooking, all right, shish kebab, where you're using meats and vegetables, and you're grilling them. And I remember the original ones that I had the plastic handles on them. What we talked about before, plastic and heat, they would melt, they get all gooey, and they were just a mess. These are just bent and nice. But what's cool is these little discs here. Because what we're going to do is we're going to load up our shish kebab, and then we're going to do our thing. And then when you're done, you're going to have your fork when you serve. You've got this disc here, and push it right out. So really nice, ingenious idea. This is probably my favorite tool of the kit. And that being said, by the end of this video, I'm going to put together a marinade for a good shish kebab. And then there's going to be a second video to this. But wait, there's more. We're going to do a video on how to do the shish kebab. Today we're going to go over the marinade. The second video is going to do shish kebab, and we're also going to have a trivia contest. Got a couple questions lined up, and we're going to be giving away a few of these sets to the first one who answer all the questions right. Believe me, it's not that hard. But we'll talk about a couple questions about good grilling techniques. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, that I've shown you guys in the past. And something about the products. So, that being said, let's get to a marinade. A lot of your marinades, they say a minimum of 2 hours. I like to do mine overnight, so we'll do this in advance. I use a big, big freezer bag, okay? And I've got eight or so chicken tenders, right? You get those, and you're gonna put them in, you're gonna cut them in pieces. Take the chicken tender, cut it in about 3 pieces, something like that, okay? The key is you don't want you want to add enough heat so the meat cooks and the vegetables don't get all charred. Everything gets up to temperature and nice things. So you can achieve that by making sure the meat is, at a proper size so it doesn't take forever to cook. So we're just gonna take that, put this in the bag. What we're gonna do is start off with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Okay. We're going to go with a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. You could use red wine vinegar, white wine vinegar. I use red. If you want to go with something a little sweeter, maybe you go with a balsamic, but not so much. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We want that acid to help break down the fibers and make it nice and tender. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And then we took 2 cloves of garlic. We chopped that up. I'm going to mix this up very nicely. Take this. I'm going to simply pour it in the bag. Up. Then there we go. And what we'll do is we'll just put this in we'll put this in a bigger, a smaller bowl just to keep it together. In fact, let me get one. Just take that, put it in a smaller bowl, and boom. Keep this in the refrigerator overnight, and they will be ready to go. Again, I want to thank you guys for this. Below, you'll see a link to the product and also a discount code. And when we come back, the next video you're going to see regarding this, we're going to do our trivia contest. We're going to do our shish kebab and all that other good stuff. Again, good step to healthy eating, folks. We're going to see you guys real soon. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.